guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Baddie, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can tell, I am doing a Halloween makeup look, but for today's Halloween makeup look, I am doing a Britney Spears look from her Hit Me Baby One More Time music video. I'm pretty sure you guys are all familiar with this look right here. So yeah, this is kind of like a schoolgirl, but like Britney Spears version. Call it what you want, but I wanted to do a Britney Spears take on the schoolgirl look. So if you guys are interested to see how I got this look right here, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So for today's Halloween makeup look, we're gonna have a little Britney Spears moment, a little Hit Me Baby One More Time moment. So if you guys are familiar with the Hit Me Baby One More Time music video, just like a little schoolgirl, cute little puffy pigtails, like it's a cute little moment. So I've actually seen a few people do this before, so no, this is not original. Like I remember seeing like someone comment my video like, oh, be original, blah blah blah. I'm like, girl, there's so many people who recreate multiple Halloween makeup looks. So sometimes like not everything is like you're the first person to do it, but you just want to do it anyway. So just putting that out there because people will be saying some stuff that don't need to be said. Just saying. Anyways, we're going to be doing a recreation of her look in that video, but I'm going to do a little more of like an eyeshadow moment because she doesn't really have much of an eyeshadow look going on, but I kind of want to do something pink on the eyes because of her little pink scrunchies. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. I already have my brows on and I have some concealer on my eyelids that I did not set yet. That's why they're creasing. But let's get started with the face. So for today, I'm going to be using a stick foundation. This is the Wet n Wild stick foundation. I am in the shade Vanilla Beige. Again, I already prepped my skin off camera, going with some moisturizer, under eye cream, all that good stuff. So yeah, now I'm just going to apply the stick foundation on the face. And then I'm gonna go in with my Amazon beauty sponge to blend this foundation out. Also, how are you guys liking the Halloween makeup looks? Halloween is coming up so fast and I have so many more ideas. I'm like, I gotta hurry up and get all these ideas out there. But I'm super excited because even though we can't do much this Halloween, because obviously like COVID, you know, it's different now, but I feel like I've been very festive like with all these Halloween makeup looks and made me feel like the holidays are here, you know. So yeah, let me know how you guys are enjoying the spooky season. Are you guys watching some Halloween movies at home? Let me know. Comment down below what your favorite Halloween movie is. Actually, I would like to know. Alright, so now that we have the foundation on, I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm actually going to be mixing two today. I have my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer and then my Benefit Boi-ing concealer. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this like in the store, it did not catch my eye. It just looked like, I don't know, I wasn't really a fan of the pencil, but this concealer is actually really freaking good. So don't let packaging fool you, because this concealer is very like hydrating, but it gives you really good coverage. I'm mixing them because they're kind of like two different colors, but together they make a really good color. So let's let that sit a little bit. Alright, so now to set the face, I'm going to go in with my Mercier translucent powder. Literally my go-to powder. I use it all the time. I'm actually going to set my eyelids first. And then to set under my eyes, I'm going to take the beauty sponge. Okay, so I'm actually going to stop here and then we'll go back to the face after we finish up the eye look. I just like to have like a base on and then finish the look after, which brings it all together. Okay, so for this eye look, I was thinking of doing something like neutral, but then a pop of pink, like a baby pink color. So for the palette, I'm going in with the Artist Couture Supreme Nudes palette. And I'm going to take the shade Transcend, which is this shade right here, using a Morphe M441 blending brush. And this shade is just going to go right into the crease. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this nudish shade right here and also put that shade into the crease. Now I want to darken it up a little bit, so I'm going to take this silhouette shade using a Morphe M514 brush. I want to take this more cooler tone just so the eye look isn't too warm, but we can also darken it up a bit. Kind of like to pack the shadow on and then blend inwards. So now for the pink shade, I'm going to go into my Morphe 25L palette, which is this rainbow one right here. And I'm going to take the shade Heart, which is this like baby pink shade. I'm not going to cut the crease. I'm pretty much just going to go in with the pink shadow on a flat-ended brush. This one, I don't even remember where I got this brush from. I had it for so long. But it's just a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to pack that pink shade on the lid. Now I'm going to go back into that silhouette shade and just darken out the outer corner a little more. And then bring more of that Transcend shade back up here. And then I'm going to mix the silhouette and Transcend shade on a pencil brush to smoke out the lower lash line. But I'm mostly going to get more of the silhouette shade because it's darker. So now I'm going to take some liquid liner. This is the Kara Beauty waterproof liquid liner. Damn, my phone's going off. I'm going to line my lash line, nothing too special, just a line before the lashes. And then I'm going to go in with some mascara. This is the Benefit They're Real mascara. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply these lashes off camera real quick, but these are the Baddie B lashes in the style hashtag INSTAHOE, and I just dropped it, but I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put the lashes on. I think I want to smoke out the lower lash line a little more. It looks a little dull right now, so I'm going to take a more like angled brush. This is the E65 by Sigma, and I'm going to take the shade Mink, which is like this dark brown, and as well as Silhouette, and then kind of just like line it as if it was an eyeliner. And then I'm debating if I want like a bright inner corner or a more pink one. So I'm going to mix the shade Milk and the Heart shade, which is a pink and white. And then we're going to put that into the inner corner. Alright, so now to finish up the face, to bronze, I'm going in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer using a Morphe E4 brush. Now for the nose, like contour, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M533 brush and just contour slightly on the nose. So I'm going to brighten up under my eyes a little bit. I'm going to take the Dragun Beauty Face Transformation Palette and take my BH Cosmetics X Nazanin Kuvari No. 4 brush and just mix the two brightening shades and apply that under the eyes. I really love the way this powder brightens up under your eyes really well. So now for blush, I'm going to take the Moon Prism palette by Lunar Beauty and take the shade Pink Moon, which is this cute baby pink shade right here. I want some rosy cheeks for this look. Alright, so now for some highlight, I'm going to take this Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter. I haven't used this in a really long time, but oh, this highlight is so bomb. And I'm taking a Morphe M510 brush to apply it. And I'm going to go in and set my brows using the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. And then I'm going to go back in with some mascara and apply that to the lower lash line. Alright, so for the lips, we're going to keep it pretty nude. So first I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Bare Lip Liner. And then on top of that, I'm going to take this Kara Beauty 90s Girl Liquid Lipstick. I might add a gloss after, but let me just see how this looks first. Alright, so there's a lip liner. And then I'm going to take this liquid lipstick. This is like a more... Oh wait, is this a gloss? Hold on. So this is actually a gloss. I thought it was a liquid lipstick, but it's a gloss, but it looks good. This is actually a really pretty color. Okay, so now that we're pretty much done with the look, I'm going to set my face using my Beauty Creations Peach Setting Spray. Okay, so for her little pigtail look, she has these cute little puff balls for her hair ties, but I don't have that. I just have like pink scrunchies. So I'm trying to see what colors work best with each other. Oh no, we have to do these two. These are cute. Even though they're like two different colors, I think the baby pink looks cuter. So I'm gonna attempt to put my hair up in pigtails. I'm gonna do it off camera because my hair takes forever to do pigtails. But then when I get back, we'll do like the braiding part together. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I was able to get my hair up in pigtails. I look crazy right now. It's not like the most perfect, but it'll do. So now we're gonna do some braids on these little pigtails. And then she has like cute little pink bows at the end of her hair, but I don't have pink. I literally just put this like up together last minute. My mom had like these purple balloons, so I just took these. I wish they were pink, but they're not. They're gonna work, so we're just gonna do that. We're just gonna have to deal with that. So now we're going to braid these pieces right here. Honestly, I suck at braiding, but if you can do a basic braid, then you're good to go. It's literally so easy. YouTube it. That's the only braid I can do. So we're gonna do this. Just braid the ponytails or the pigtails. This is honestly such a good like last minute costume idea. Everyone knows this look, you know. And then we're gonna take the ribbons. Alright, and then Britney has like bangs in this video, so I still have my little clip-on bangs and we're gonna use these. Oh yes, this is like Latin Britney Spears. I don't know if I'm feeling the bangs. What do you think? I feel like it's giving me like Latin schoolgirl now. Okay, I'm gonna go and put on the little costume to match the music video, and then I'll explain to you guys what it is when I get back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put the pigtails like a little lower because I feel like they're just a little too high, and in the video they're like right by her ears. So I fixed that, and then I went and put on this collared white shirt that I got from the thrift store for only like $5. And then I have this gray cardigan that I also got from the thrift store that was only $8. So a very last minute Halloween costume. So this is the completed look on the Britney Spears Hit Me Baby One More Time Halloween makeup look. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. Link will be down below. Stay blooming, stay spooky, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.